Hey y'all, what's happening? It's your girl Elly M, aka TropiicalPunch, and if you didn't know, now you know. So welcome back to my channel. Really straightforward. We don't have to do these crazy ass long intros anymore because I'm actually on schedule and we got something going here. So today I just figured I'd do something I haven't done in a really long time, which is like an exaggerated cut crease like this. And I especially try to stay away from these looks just because I have hooded eyes and it's freaking annoying AF to do a cut crease when you have hooded eyes, especially like me. Both of my eyes crease differently. One crease is a little heavier on this side and then the other one is kind of, it just wings out. So it takes extra finessing, which you guys will definitely see in this video. But straight to the point, if you want to see how I got this long, okay, you're gonna want to stick around. It's gonna come out 3, 2, 1, but wait, before that, make sure you subscribe and like the video, leave a comment, you know, tell me what you want to see. And now we're rolling. Let's get started dipping into the Morphe 35M palette. We're going to take the shade Fired Up and we are going to apply that, well, pack that into the crease area. You know, get to packing, build that color up to where you want it. It's already pigmented, but it doesn't freaking hurt. You knew. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to dip into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, taking that yellow shade and using that color to blend out the edges of that orange. This is just going to start to get a nice blend from lights to darks, and I just love yellow eyeshadow. Next, after applying that yellow, I'm just going to go in back with that same shade of orange and just blend it into the yellow so we get a nice and soft gradient. Next, I'm going to take the shade Vampy Vixen just to add a little bit more depth to that orange. It's a little bit more on the reddish side. Just, we want straight pigment, straight intensity right now, okay? Next, I'm going to take the shade Transformer and I'm going to be packing that into my crease. I want this to give some contrast for the lid color that we'll be putting down, just so it'll be nice and dark and deep. I'm going to blend out the edge with another brush, as well as go over it slightly with that orange shade, the Vampy Vixen from the Morphe 35M palette. I'm just going to continue to go back and forth between colors just to make sure I get the proper blend and I have something nice and deep as well as well blended and soft. Purchase beats with no Before I cut my crease, I'm going to wipe away any excess product on the lid, almost cutting my crease with that wipe, but still leaving product there. This will just prevent the concealer from turning into a reddish or purplish shade. Next, I'm going to take the Crayon Case Highlighter Concealer in the shade 30, and I will be using that with a concealer brush to cut my crease. You can just see that I'm going to start to wing out the edge. I went in with about 2 coats just to make sure the concealer was really nice and thick and beige, so that way the shade I'm about to put down now, which is Luxuria from the Carity 21 Shadows and Matte palette, and I'm just going to pack that straight on top of the concealer to set it and it's very close to that color, which is exactly what I wanted. I went back in with that color transformer and took it with a small liner brush and went right around the cut crease just to make sure the cut crease was very defined and very intense. And then I just touched up with that same color again on the lid just to make sure there no purple transferred. And then final touches, you know, making sure that blend is on pencil point. Next, I'm going to take the Crayon Case liquid lipstick in the shade Weed At, and I'll be using that as a liquid liner, and I'm just going to follow the same shape that I have going on the top. I'm going to follow that on my lash line and create an extended wing. If you really wanted to be precise, you could go in with a piece of clear tape and use that to line your eyes so that you can get a very sharp, intense wing liner. I was just lucky enough to have a very steady hand this day. On my lower lash down, as usual, I lined my lower lash line with the jumbo pencil from NYX Milk. I took the shade Express Yourself on the lower lash line, and on the lower waterline, I went in with the shade Grape Extraction or Grape Expectations. All the names are listed on the screen. Lash time. So for lashes, we're going to go in with Chanel, and these are from Dream Co Beauty, and they're a beautiful pair of wispy, fluffy lashes. Not too intense, but still intense. You know the deal. I like drama over the top, and these are just the right amount of that. So now we've done our face, we're gonna do final touches.
Purchase beats with no tax.
Okay, we're gonna take this Carity blush balm in Coral Caboon, and we're gonna use the shade On Point, and we're gonna use that to apply to the cheeks to give a nice warmth to the cheeks to match the intensity of the eye. And these bad boys is pigmented, so be careful. Next, we're going to spritz our face with the Mario Badescu spray, and then I will be going in with my Tropical Punch Beauty loose highlighter in the shade Solvicent, and I'm going to apply that to my cheeks. It's a very, very sparkly gold yellow, and as you can see, She's blinding. Okay, she's blinding. Don't get it twisted. So for lips, we're going to go in with the BSN Wood Lip Liner in the shade Chocolate. Gonna outline our lips. I like to overline just a little bit. And I will be taking the Wow Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Passion, as well as the liquid lipstick from the Crayon Case in Marie. And I'm going to blend those together to get a really nice ombre lip. And then top it off with, the greatest gloss ever made, Clean Kisses from the Crayon Case. And then in this shot, you guys, I was applying a little bit of glitter gloss. I just don't remember particularly which one. So my bad. Sorry. I'm getting this hair together because she's looking a little rough. All I really do, honestly, after I styled or put product in my hair the day after, is I just spritz it with water, and that is it. Especially, I usually just spray my root area. I try not to spritz the ends of my hair too much. It's really just the root area, so the hair will fall into place. And all I'm gonna say is stay tuned for the final transformation. That's it. Alright, we're getting it together. We're pulling it together. We're cute. She cute. Just put. We not done yet. Wait. Hold on. Wait. Let me get myself together, please. Hey. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm over here taking selfies of being conceited. I can't with myself. But this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys stick around in a little bit, you guys are gonna have some cute little, you guys gonna see some cute little things, so stay tuned for that. But thanks for watching. I hope this was easy to follow along with. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please feel free to tell me any looks you'd like to see in the future in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you comment, like, share this if you're feeling generous. Ew. Look at my girlfriend just being out of control. I don't know who she thought she was. She really thought she was doing something. She really thought she was a beauty guru. But whatever. I'm gonna mind my business though. She did that though. Baby. And we'll see you next time, guys.